Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Myself Mohd Tarik advocate. Today in this video I will teach you how to file the suit in the court and how to prepare a plant. Okay, with examples. Like for filing a case, there are two parties. Like first plaintiff, like victim, second defendant. With example, I will teach you situations like defendant fraudulently got a plot registered fraudulently a victim. So in that situation, victim filed a suit against of defendant file a cancellation suit. Okay, whatever defendant fraudulently sell did other persons. So plaintiff file the suit against of file the cancellation of suit against of defendant. Because for filing a suit, plaintiff may be one, two, three, other more, and defendant one, two, three more. In that situations, so first of all, how to draft the plant? How to draft the plant? First of all, a plaintiff choose a advocate, purchase a wakalatnama. After that, sign the wakalatnama and on behalf of plaintiff advocate Perry and draft the plant and face the case in the court and fighting in the court. First of all, a advocate see the power of that power of court like a civil court like a two type of courts like civil judge junior division and civil judge senior division. Like if a junior division court have a power under a 3 lakh and 3 lakhs because if many suits are filing in front in the junior division and which cases value under the 3 lakh and 3 lakh, not more than 3 lakh. If above the 3 lakh rupees, so filing the suit like a civil judge senior division. Like a plaintiff plot valuation 2 lakh rupees. In that situation, a advocate see the power of court and at that situation for a drafting time a plant like a write the name civil judge junior division. Fine. Second, name and address plaintiff correctly and as well as defendant name and address correctly in the plant. After that, jurisdiction of courts, advocate C. Third, court fees. Court fees. Like for a cancellation a suit, a plaintiff file the court fees maybe like a 6% valuation of property and 7% until 30,000 rupees other, but different state the cancellation court fees different valuation is the main. In that situations, first and in the for a drafting a plant a advocate write the all fact and circumstance and about of cause of actions. Why to cancel in this sale deed a plaintiff and after writing a fact and some circumstance on the plant and write a cause of actions for fees and verify and discussions of property and like a direction around the plot and east north southwest, and advocate create a map and write the all directions east, west, south, north. After that, because after complete a plant verified like a oath, other oath commission like a oath commissioners, and uh, with plant as well as give a affidavit by oath, and verified the last a advocate do prayer like for getting a demand a release whatever want to get whatever a court give the plaintiff the last judgment. At that situations up at that situation if a defendant construct starting a construction on the distribute property, in that situation the plaintiff give a file a applications with a plant like order 39 rule 1 and 2 at the situations, but with 39 with a 39 like step applications with affidavit file with the plant and first plant second step applications with affidavit plant with affidavit third list of evidence fourth first pata means name of the right a different papers a name of the plaintiff when the completed all the drafting. After that order 7 rule 9 admit and presentation in the court. Presentation of the plant in the court in that situation if a court decide a advocate don't didn't mistake for drafting time a plant, so magistrate admissions on the suit. After admission is suit, a judge issue or service of summons on the defendant after admissions. Presentation of the plant after that the next stage of the judge like issue or service of summons on the defendant at the situation planting time with plant copy already keep on the file with keep on the file with the with the real plant as well as a step applications and as well as a summons name of the defendant. In that situation, when you file the suit, after that a court give a case a different like a case number, and this case number is different. There is no change in future. When the okay, mm, there are never change the case number whatever admission time the court give the suit. After that appear of the parties because after getting a summons if a defendant never present in the court after that, and at the situation a defendant have all the all the information related in this case. So after getting information a defendant after knowing present in the court at the situations, and the court proceed ex parte in this case in the situations. But after and like defendant the last judgment the final agreement no appears in that situations in the case. So court have power ex parte judgment, and court have power giving a ex parte judgment as well as a create a decree. But If a defendant appear in the court after getting a summons, so defendant filing of the written statement by the defendant, file a WS, and after that a plaintiff have a right give a answer like replica in the WS of defendant. After that, court stage like production of document by the parties, because court give like a stage produce the evidence related in this case on the court. If a like a normally like a when a plaintiff file a case at the situations and with plant include all the evidence whatever a plaintiff have, and normally and defendant with the give the WS as well as many evidence give. But next stage is a in that situations after after that examination of parties go like a if a plaintiff like if a plaintiff present a plant and defendant give a WS written statement against of suit and plaintiff give a replica after that court framing of issues by the court. After that court framing and of issues in that situation, and court take a important fact and note of in that situation court write a important fact in the suit. After that, after completing a after completed issues, a court stage stage like a evidence stage in that situations a right plaintiff uh, plaintiff give a like a list of witness with affidavit, and first of all receive a defendant advocate as well as giving a in the court. But after that the defendant advocate cross examinations a plaintiff witness, but when a completed plaintiff witness after that the defendant give a list of witness and as well as a affidavit with affidavit. But after that complete of the defendant witness at that situations hearing of the suit examination of witness, but after that court and stage is like a all proceeding is the argument. After argument, the court give the final judgment in that situations. But in that situation, if a like a plaintiff don't get a relief and court and court cancel the and plaintiff lost the case. At that situation, plaintiff have right only 1 month give the appeal like a higher court, like a session court and high court. But if you lost the court in lower court at that situation, do the appeal like a session court. After session court, it's like a high court. But plaintiff and defendant don't do appeal. So after that, at that situations, court court create a degree in in a 3 months after give the judgment at the situations execution of degree. Many situations I have seen in my life like a after like a defendant and plaintiff and getting a degree, but in that situations like a defendant and never go and like no positions continue. A defendant at the situation execution of degree like a plaintiff go to like a related area of SSP and the police of the station to at that situation and give the degree on the police and see the judgment. After that police have police go on the like a uh, distribute property and say the defendant you lose and hide and you load the case on the civil court, so you go. Okay, if you like my video, and so please like, comment and subscribe, and inshallah I will create a video next time. Allah.